Hello friends, welcome back to SK CAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. This is the double bearing block first part, body. So the base is 90 by 25 height and width is 40 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select extrude, select top plane, here select center rectangle, give the dimensions 90 by 40, 90, 40, finish sketch, extrude up to 25 mm. Okay. Next there is a cutout both side, that is 10-10, and bottom also one cutout we can do in one sketch. Select here corner rectangle, give the dimensions 10 mm and this is also 10 mm. So create one center line, select this sketch, select mirror entities, select mirror about, remove this line, select here mirror about, select this line, select line, first give the symmetric constraint. Now give the dimensions 45 mm and 55 mm. Height is also 5 mm. This is 45. Here 2, here 5. Height is also 5 mm. So sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch, select extruded cut. Here we can select through hole. Okay. Now select this surface, sketch. There are two circles, one is 15 and another one is 25 mm. First create circles, give the dimensions 15, 25, create one center line first, now give the dimension from the center 35 divided by 2, next select convert entities, select this line. Okay. Trim entities, trim these lines. Select these two lines, mirror entities, mirror about, center axis. Okay. Select line, create line like this. From here to here 15 is there, 7.5 each side. Select this and this. Mirror entities, select mirror about, center axis. Need to select this line also. Okay. So now sketch is fully constrained. Select convert entities. Need to select entire body, I think. Okay, now finish sketch, select extruded cut, select this and this, give the depth is 5 mm, apply. See, one side created, so we can do this mirror also. Select mirror, mirror about center plane, apply. Select this surface, sketch, create 2 holes. Oh, we made that time 2 holes, actually 15 is not required, so now we need to create 15 dia circle. This side also, so give the dimension 15, 15. So sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch, select extruded cut, here we can select through all. Okay, next there are 6 holes, all are M6. So pitch is, first select hole, select tapping hole, bottoming tap, here select M6, not through hole here, only I think blind, we need to give blind. Depth is 15 mm, okay. So here that's correct only. Cosmetic thread. Okay, now select the positions, Control 8. Give the points. Give the dimensions. (15 mm) pitch and 5 and 60. Here to here 15. Here to here 5. Next here to here 60. Okay, select this and this, give the horizontal constraint, select this and this, give the same horizontal constraint, select this and this, give the vertical constraint. Next select this and this, give the vertical constraint. Next select this point and this point, give the horizontal constraint, same like that opposite side also. Okay, next I think something moving. Okay, from the side dimension we need to give from here to here, that is 12.5 mm. Okay, this vertical constraint is missing. Select this point and this point, give the vertical constraint. So now is get fully constrained. You can check bottom. So okay.
ఏంటి చేస్తున్నా పని
See, holes has created. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoyed this session, and also requesting please do like and subscribe my channel. If anything is missing or wrong, you can leave the comment below. Definitely I will revert back to you. So assign the material body, go with steel. In the steel, we can go with casting also, cast stainless steel. I will go with this. So if you required, you can edit the color here. So that's the today's session, friends. Thanks for watching this session.